Hello everyone. Today I will give you overview of C# variables. In this video, I will define what is variable in C#, how many types of variable in C#. So let's start the video. A variable is nothing but a name given to a storage area that our programs can manipulate. Each variable is C# has a specific type which determines the size and layout of the variables, memory, the range of values that can be stored within that memory, and the set of operations that can be applied to the variables. The basic value types provided in C# can be categorized as type. I have shown you the type and examples as well as. So integrated types are like subtype, byte, short, unshort, integer, unit, long, ulong, and char. We also call it characters. Floating point types, float and double. Decimal types, examples, decimal. Boolean types, true or false, values as assigned. Nullable types, nullable data types. C# allows defining other value types of variables such as enum and reference types of variable such as class, which we will cover in subsequent chapters. That's all for today. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, let me know below in the comment box, and please like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.